here for you, and that you will grow in a loving, warm, and progressive, warm, loving, progressive family. He will always be there to support you in whatever endeavors you want to pursue in your life. We love you so much.
So I love my day here. So we're just hoping, everything has, and we are hoping to see you become the best version of yourself.
I know that Mavi is really in good hands with you guys, and kawaw ka ng tao ka na sa mukha. Like, responsable as couple. So, salamat sa pag-invite namin. And Ninong Rai is always here.
To Baby Maverick, I wish you a life full of love and happiness.
Buhay na kami friends niya more than a decade na daw. Kasi na-extend ko sa kadugay na supportive niya hindi ko na namin nyo sila. Nakalapot may para nito nga nakadugay. Yan pero hindi kami. Hindi naman niya yung influence. Nakita na ba yung birthday sa
Thank you for inviting us all the way here. Taga Manila po kasi kami, but yeah, we came here just for this, and I'm really excited to be a godmother to baby Zeph. And I just pray that he grows up with a lot of love and happiness in life. And sana lumaki siya na concert lover din, katulad niyo. Okay, that's all, and God bless. We were proud parents of our firstborn.
See you soon. Tayo ulit magkikita after 1 year. Pag 1 year celebration.